Peace and blessings. How y'all doing? This is Ibra Fall with the Black Urban Gardening Society. I hope your year is going well with you. I hope you guys are getting your hands dirty, getting your grow on. All right. So I wanted to share with y'all what we got going on here at the farm here, S2L2. We are preparing for our spring, summer, early fall crops here. So we have some mountain fresh tomatoes growing here. These are some determinate varieties that we're going to grow in the tunnels. They're early, mid-early variety of tomatoes that we have grown. They're pretty uniform. I like them. Over here, we have some Brandywines, which are one of my favorite heirloom varieties, and we have some Valentine as well, which is a hybrid variety. It's pretty standard as well. We got bell peppers. They're just starting to pop. As you can see, they're in different stages. We have some that have their first set of leaves on here. They're fully open. We have some that's just starting to come out. We just watered everything here, sitting under the light. All right, so we have bell peppers as well. And so we have these flats they 50 cells each. So we have a few bell peppers going on. We'll be planting some more for succession cropping as well this upcoming week. All of these were seeded. These trays were seeded on the 26th of February. You guys, it's highly important to keep up with what you're doing, being organized as far as with when you're planning, trying to keep your dates, try to keep everything labeled. One of the worst things to do is to have a bunch of stuff growing and you don't even know what you got growing. We also have these plants, these cells up on some heating mats, you can see. So we're trying to control the soil temperature, keep the soil temperature warm enough for these crops to grow. So I just want to share with you guys a little bit of what we got popping off here as far as our growth and our plans for the future with our growth. I wish you all successful growing. And remember, the food you grow is the food you know. We out, y'all. Peace.